Got the M3 from Cali, wrapped, but looks better than original. I'm telling you, I like it. Drilled rotors, nice tires, low miles, Cali. You can see the car from Cali. Let's see that they put a new one. This is the how you control your gearbox right there. You can do it. You can hear it. And you know what the interesting thing is? You RPM it 6, 7,000, 9, whatever the thousand, it will RPM it, and you don't have to worry about the car. If you lower on the sensitive, you RPM it's higher. So I think on the 4 bars is enough. It's nice. You got to drive a little more. I think the brakes are a little stiff. Did I say I love M3s, E46s? I think I gotta start buying them. Like I said, by the time you switch gears on manual on SMG, you already chop out there. I'm telling you, this is so. We're gonna raise up the bar for sensitivity. See how it starts to. What's up, bro?
Yo, what's going on?
How's everything?
We filming a video.
A little bit. What are you doing? What are you guys doing?
Huh?
What are you guys doing?
My bar we're opening up.
Wow.
So,
When is grand opening?
a couple months.
Here? A bar? It's so cool, man.
Yeah, all outdoor, everything.
You involved?
Yeah.
Beautiful, man.
Meet you there.
I'll see you on the grand opening. So you see how
Torque is crazy.
this is a race car. Only thing I don't like is the brakes, front brake pads. I don't like it. I would replace them. Oh, this is amazing. So it's another one beautiful car that we got. We gotta figure out what these USB here for is. Apple CarPlay, whatever it is to play. You see over here? It usually is. This is not stock.
Drop top works. Perfect.
He leaned over and pressed the